In this video, I'll show you how to connect internet from mobile to PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now you can see from my screen that my PC is connected to my hotspot, right? That is to my mobile. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to disconnect this quickly, right? And show you how you can connect it. So I just disconnected it. So I'm going to show you how you can connect internet from mobile to PC. Now you need to head over to this connection available tab, right? If I click on it, I'll click on the how to do, right? This is my how to do. I'm going to click on the how to do. So because my password is, I think is saved to this, right? So I'm going to click on the connect. So it's going to connect from my mobile automatically. So you can see right here that I've just connected my PC to my mobile. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in the very next one.